Good morning, everyone. Today I'm back with Ginger over at Ginger's Corner, and we are doing our embellishment, and today it's called Atlas, and it's an embellishment with map paper, and you just have to have 2 layers. So pretty simple. I actually have these map stickers, 200 plus stickers of vintage maps, and it was gifted to me, so I have no idea where it's from, but I thought they were pretty cool. They came in this tin, and I have all these different ones. Now, I have circles, there's ovals, and squares. I really like the square and the round to go with my rectangle, and then my other rectangular suitcase. So those are probably what I will be using today. Unless I run out of squares, then I'll have to do something else. There's more. Okay, because I like those shapes together. So that's kind of my plan. And there's more there too. So I need to make 10 because I make 8 for the swap, and I make 1 for myself and 1 for my friend. Now my die cuts were travel, the suitcase, and the ticket, and it also came with a car, camera, and a bicycle, and then the rest are here. So I've got these here, travel. These I just haven't punched out yet, so, or haven't taken them out of there. So that's what you get with it. And I got them on Temu. And I gotta stop this. My daughter is messaging me. Okay. Okay, but I probably won't be that long, so I'll let her wait. Being the nice mother that I am. Okay, I usually get back with everybody right away. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is use the ground espresso to ink the tag, because I want that vintage look, like this is a luggage tag is what I'm going for here. I did have like regular luggage tags, but I didn't have enough of them. So I had these from my other daughter. She had given them to me with all the stuff that she sent. So I'm glad I found those. So I'm just kind of inking around, and I'm gonna put one of these reinforcers on it so it looks more like a luggage tag. It's so funny because I don't use them very often, so it's like I'm like, now where did I put those? They should, I need to put them with the tags. It would make perfect sense. I'm trying to get everything where it goes. I've been working on the room. I worked on it, and then I made a mess, and you know, the usual. Okay, so I'm gonna try to stick with like colors that I've punched out here. Okay, so I'm gonna use a tag with blue in it. I mean a sticker with blue in it. Oh, and these were all stickers if I didn't mention that. And then I have, let's see, this person's gonna look like they're traveling the world. I'm just trying to make sure that I have words up correctly. Okay, and then I'm gonna use a suitcase, a ticket, and the word travel. So I'm gonna ink. I shouldn't need any more of this because it really got a lot of ink on it. Or no, it's the blue one. The blue I'm actually using weathered wood because it is a nice blue for the little ticket I'm using. I kind of get this little strap here. Again, push up the little strap. Okay. Okay, so I got that. Now this one here, there's like a perforation, so I'm trying to get that without folding it and having it fall off there. And of course I got more on the regular part of the tag than on the perforated part, but oh well. Okay, so I got that little ticket done. Okay, and then I'm gonna put the luggage down first because I want the travel overlapping the luggage just a little. I didn't really have a plan of what I was gonna do. So I was looking through my dies and it's like, oh yes, a little travel stuff would be super cute with a map. Okay, oh, and I actually want this underneath it, so let's see if I can get that on there before it's glued down. So when I was looking at the maps, I looked and seen that there was pinks and blues, so that's why I picked that. I thought, oh, pink luggage would be super cute. Okay, and then I'm just gonna hold on to this travel on the V because I think it's easiest to glue from there. I've seen where people kind of drag this through glue. When I tried to do it, I just glued front and back. It was horrible. So it looked like such an easy plan, but it was not for me, unfortunately. Okay, and I'm just going to overlap the reinforcer a little bit with the T, and I want the travel to go across the luggage and across the ticket, so everything's touching. I told you I like to make everything touch. Now this is sticky here, so I'm just trying to rub the sticky off of it because I want that left up there like that. Okay, and then I decided I needed a little flower on it, and I've got different sizes. Maybe this time I'll do this little blue flower. I just thought that would be cute. And then I'm going to put a gem on it. I just thought most places, well, at least in this season, you'd have flowers. And then I have this big bold string. So this is the string I'm using. And I like it because it looks simple, because I figured if it was on a luggage, it would probably be simple. I know I have some kind of tag on my luggage, and it's helpful just because it's like, yep, that's mine. Because once in a while I've had the thing go around and it's like, where's my luggage? Okay, and that's it. Pretty simple one, and I think it's cute. So that's it for today. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Go over and check out the other ladies that are doing tags, and I will have that link down below, and it takes you right to the Facebook group. Well, it's actually a YouTube group, but it will take you right there. Also, there's a link to Ginger's Corner if you want to swap with us. Just go there and sign up with her. So have a wonderful and blessed day, and I will see you tomorrow. Close-ups at the end. Bye-bye.